Today we're going to be changing the running light, or the low beams, on a 2023 Ram ProMaster van. Let's jump into it. First we're going to reach right here where the driver's side is and pop it. Once you pop the trunk right above the A here, you feel for a latch. You lift up and then lift this little flap up. There's that flap there, and that's the mechanism to unleash or unlock. Then insert your little hood stand here. You pop it in there and then pull over, and that locks it into place. Then we jump over to our headlight. This one right here is the low beam. This is the high beam. So, and then on the other side of that is your turn signal. So we start off by twisting this cap. If you were in front of this, it would be clockwise, but when you're behind it, it feels counterclockwise. But that's our weather sealing cap right there. Let's take a look inside. So there's our bulb. We need to twist that out. So we reach in and be careful, it can be hot. And I'm gonna pull it, the bottom of the bulb this way, and that pops out. There's our bulb. The bulb is hot. You do not want to touch the bulb. To release the bulb, right there is your latch. So you depress that right there. So there's the bulb. I'll put a link in the description for this guy. You don't want to touch the glass. Getting this out is a little tricky because there's a weather seal, so you have to pull with both hands. I'll show you what that looks like now. So yeah, it's got a little rubber gasket around there, blue, but you push this down with one hand and then pull the light bulb with the other hand. So putting this new bulb in, try to do this in a way that you can see. This guy just fits right into that there. And then it does take two hands. You push the bulb, pull the thing, and now it's detached. Then you have to line it up and pop the bulb back in. One thing that helps me tremendously is, as I'm putting the bulb back in here, you have to line up these three little wings, and you can see the bulb right here. So you line those up, and you have to get it perfectly flat and then twist into place. Hopefully you guys can see that. But the bulb's in, then we just take our cap, that goes in, that rotates. You can see the orientation, rotates this way and clicks in, and that's it. That's how you change the light bulb on a ProMaster. If this was helpful, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.